Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp with Zapier for AI meeting task extraction. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located in the top right corner. In the Trigger section, search for and select ClickUp. Choose the specific trigger event you want to use, such as new task or task updated. Connect your ClickUp account by clicking on Sign in to ClickUp. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your ClickUp account. Select the ClickUp workspace and specific space from which you want to extract tasks. In the next step, test the trigger to ensure Zapier can find tasks in your ClickUp account. Once the trigger test is successful, click on Continue to move to the Action section. In the Action section, search for and select an application. Choose the action event you want to perform, like Create Spreadsheet Row or Create Card. Connect the chosen application by clicking on Sign into your app. Authorize Zapier to access that application and select the appropriate account. Map the ClickUp task fields to the corresponding fields in your selected application. For example, map task name, due date, and assign to fields as needed. Once you've completed mapping, click on Continue to test the action step. Test the action to ensure tasks are being sent correctly to your chosen application. If the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap to activate your integration. Your ClickUp and Zapier connection is now set up for AI meeting task extraction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.